People normally come to Peduase Akuapem to exercise, mostly on weekends, Saturday, early in the morning. You get me? And remember, Peduase Akuapem is closer to Ayimensa, which is Greater Accra. So we are here today to enjoy this moment with you. And we will also try to interview some people. Please stay with us. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and share the content. Thank you very much. Yeah, hello.
Hi.
Please, is your first time here?
No, my second time.
Oh, okay, so how is the experience?
It's good. I mean, it's difficult at the start, but then as you progress, it gets easier. Okay. Yeah.
So where are you from?
I'm from here, Accra.
Accra.
Yeah, Boche.
Okay. So where you Ghana or something?
Yeah, I'm gone. Yeah, I'm nah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm also Guan from Akuapem here.
Oh, okay.
You have to teach me something Ghana, so I also teach you something.
Me not care.
What's the meaning?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Oh, okay. Mine is Ndoyetse. How are you?
Oh, okay.
How are you, Miss Ndoyetse?
Oh, okay. We say Ojogbang. Ojogbang, so I'm good.
Meaning you are good.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Oh, okay. What will be a feel? Say it to me.
Oh, you what?
What will be a feel?
Oh, you you be a feel.
What will be a feel?
Oh, you be a feel.
You are very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. So in Ghana we say oh you fall.
Oh, yeah, for.
Yeah, so it's kind of similar. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Charlie, that thing no be easy. We are tired. Let's go! Hey, madam, what's up?
Cool.
It's an experience, I need to say.
Easy, but I'm hoping it's a major holiday. My okay.
Oh, okay, Miss. Is it your first time here?
No, please.
Okay, so do you normally come here on Saturdays or what?
Yes, if I'm not busy, I'm less busy. I come here on Saturdays, like every day.
Every day.
During the weekdays.
All right, that's cool. So then I'll catch you be on Bahad and I say, Visa.
I think everyone needs to try this because it's for our own good. Like it's healthy. So, obi omba habia no ombra.
Okay.
Ombe having a few of the mountain. Yeah.
So, all right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Is it your first time here?
No, sit.
Oh, okay. Now I can see you really like exercise or.
Not really.
Then why are you here?
Like I said, I feel like I've gained weight, but I've not really gained weight.
Okay.
And yes, I just want to
lose some weight.
Yeah.
Okay. So where are you from?
Adenta.
Adenta. So are you a Ghana lady or something?
Yeah, but not a typical Ghana lady.
Okay. So which tribe are you?
Osu.
Osu. Now I mean like which tribe? Like maybe Ghana or
Ghana.
Ghana.
Yeah, but not a typical Ghana because I hardly speak Ghana.
Why?
Because I don't get someone to speak Ghana.
Oh, okay.
I do get people, but sometimes I just don't feel like.
Why don't you learn?
I learn. I can read Ghana.
Oh, okay.
I speak and read Ghana.
Okay. So what language can you speak fluently?
I can speak English, a little bit of Chinese, and then a little bit of Korean.
Huh? Hey.
And then Ghana, and then a little bit of Fanti.
Okay, so why did you study history, like languages in school or something?
Yeah, JHS, we did Chinese, and then when I got to SS, I liked the Korean series, so I just started learning the Korean.
Chinese, hey, speak one Chinese makers.
Okay, ni hao, 我是 Griselda, 你叫什么名字?
What's the meaning?
So, what's your name? I said, so hello, I'm Griselda. What's your name?
Okay, so ni hao means what's your name?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name? How will you say it in Chinese?
你叫什么名字? That's what's your name.
Oh, okay. So what about Japanese?
No, not Japan, Korean.
Yeah, Korean.
Okay, so Kajima, it's don't go.
What's the meaning of that?
Don't go.
Don't go means?
Kajima.
Kajima.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Kajima means don't. Is that Kajima means what?
Don't go.
Don't go.
Yeah.
Alright.
And as of now, I've forgotten most of what I've learned. But
okay. Alright, so thank you very much.
Welcome.
You dey up so to me, can you go to me?
Charlie, you no go fit me.
See me try how much you go give me?
Oh, Charlie. Okay, I go walk go house.
Go house.
Yeah.
Go house.
I go walk go.
You tell me, I will give you 1,000 cedis.
Charlie, if you do, 1,000 cedi. The way I'm any British car no.
Your mind dey.
My mind dey. Deal.
Okay. Shall I win am? I win you. You win me.
Nah.
You don't win me. Make them check for the comment section.
Make them check for
That be
the
that
comment
shit.
section.
We will check.
1,000 cedis.
I win you. They go and walk go Aduk room.
One man me Charlie me be lucky with BBA. When jump at them BBA. Charlie, I win am.
All right, champion. So how the experience dey like?
Oh, it's been wonderful.
Okay.
You know. It's actually
first time here.
It's actually my first time.
Your first time here.
Like this.
So where are you from?
I'm from Labadi. Yeah,
Labadi.
Yeah, I be Labadi.
Okay. So you be Ghan boy.
I be not be Ghan boy, but that be where they come from.
Yeah, okay. So where you from? What be your tribe?
I be Ewe man.
Talk one way make I see.
Oh, look at the phone.
What be the meaning?
Like, how are you?
How are you? Okay. My own to be Indoyeti.
What do they mean?
Guan. It be Guan language. Indoyeti.
Indoyeti.
Yeah.
What do they mean?
I want to say.
Okay, me here.
Okay.
I did, Charlie.
So as the experience the we'll come here again or something.
Oh yeah, I would love to come here if possible. Like every once in every month. Yeah, I would like come here, come do some 1 or 2. We don't need war.
All right, sure.
We need war, Charlie. Really, so as a young man, once in a while, they see there for they do.
That be that.
The Baba high for they do. We really
I've
help
been here
war,
for so
Charlie.
many years.
Is there?
I've been here for almost 19 years.
19 years.
19 years.
Okay. So you always come here or what?
I always come here Saturday and Sunday holidays.
Okay.
I've been Saturday, Sunday holidays. I'm here
Where are you from, please?
from Medina.
Okay.
I see around behind the WAS, new site. That's the place I see. I was.
How was the experience and the view here?
It's nice. The view here is very nice.
Okay.
Very for 19, 20 years.
Okay.
You have to see the experience I had and here.
Okay.
I had this my friend going down there.
Okay.
I've been working with him for almost 19 years.
That's
So we feel good. We feel okay. No medicine, no anything. We are okay here.
So as I have to exercise once every week.
Once every we have to come here.
Alright.
We have to come here. We are here. I'm called Reagan.
Okay, I'm also Hero.
Okay.
Thank you
Nice
very much,
meeting
sir.
you.
Nice
Okay.
to yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Please, what do you have here?
So we have natural life juices, that's sugarcane based juices. No water, no sugar, no preservative. And we have variety of mixes. Yeah.
How much is it?
So we have 350 ml, that's 25 cedis, and 500 ml, which is 35 cedis.
Right. So do you produce do you do it yourself or something like that?
Yes, it's a family business, so I'm part of the production team.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
So where's the location?
We are at Tamarin here.
I'm in here.
Yes, on the Dodoa stretch.
In case someone wants to purchase more, do the person have to call you or something?
Yes, so the person can reach us on 055 775 8783 on both call and WhatsApp.
Alright.
And we have an Instagram handle as naturallife.sugarcane. Yes, so you can get us on 055 775 8783 for both calls and WhatsApp.
Right, thank you very much. It's your first time when you come here?
Oh nah.
Always here, they come here.
Sure, yeah, they come.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
Like where they stay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did Medina.
Medina.
Yeah.
Okay, so you be Ghan boy or what tribe where you belong?
Me I be Mosi.
Mosi.
And then Kosasi.
Kosasi.
Yeah.
Where you dey? What origin you dey?
Oh, they from Upper East Boko.
Upper East.
Yeah.
If you teach me one language where you dey speak.
Okay, so I just say, Idiola. This is how I did. Then respond by say la for me.
How you dey go say you go talk and say what?
Idiola.
Diola.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then respond by say la for me.
Oh, okay. My own be Indoyeti.
New Yeti.
Indoyeti.
And New Yeti.
Yeah.
What's that?
Guan.
Guan.
I'm a Guan, yeah, from Akuapem here.
You can pay me here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Oh wow. Alright.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Champion also.
I do cool,
Your first time here?
Nah,
Oh, okay. Always here, they come here or what?
you know we always bar. They regularly they come here.
Oh, okay. So where you from? You from Accra or where you from?
Yeah, new father.
Okay. So you be Ghan boy or what tribe where you dey?
I be lost Rotarian.
Oh, okay.
But I go tell myself say I be misbreed because I try learn most of the languages.
Okay.
But my own language I lost.
You lost your own language. What be your own language when you lost am?
Anyway,
Oh, okay. So what be the new language when now you learn?
PG, small of Hausa,
Okay.
then small of Kotokoli.
Hey, talk one who's make us see.
This matter be like they put you for that scholar. Unless they say I don't be fluent, so unless like with the vibe,
Okay.
the hair there will come.
So the language where you learn, which one will be fluent?
Gan. Okay. The other one, your dog is a top. Okay, what's your name? Obanu, Olu.
What be the meaning?
And the taxi we dey go jogging for the mountain top. So if you reach there, then go here fast.
Okay. All right. Where I want to be Guan.
Guan.
Yeah. Sometimes if I want to say how we dey, I go talk am say ndo yeti.
Oh wow.
Talk make I say ndo yeti. That's good. Yeah, sure. Thank you, bro.
Alright, bro.
Charlie, me ekpani be dey she. Charlie, so far you see the jog, you know.
I know, you know easy, bro.
I swear you.
The walking, the everything, Charlie, it be what?
I swear. Charlie, you say
it be nice experience, bro.
Sharp.
I urge everybody to come and experience all this thing, bro.
Sharp.
It be very well, Charlie.
Right. Charlie, we dey on, so more go. All right, so Charlie, you see the view. So when you exercise, when you get to the top, and now crowd crowing in Ara, Charlie, so what I say. So you have to come here and experience this thing. You get me? Sure. The tongue goes here. That's how I come because I want to come because I'm in to be more.
Then Casasa.
Cherepon, okay.
Mentio.
And in Bachelor also one comment.
Menti.
Casam, you're so fun.
Me also from.
You're so fun, son.
Me also from, son.
I'm going to Sammy and son. You. It's mommy that be a weekends be about the tongue goes here.
Weekends be a member.
Okay. It's a call like I'm Tony Piana.
Oh, what on the camera?
It's a FIFA now.
Me fi Kitase. Aye.
Okay, Martin. All right. When you do business or about, I don't pay you for can be.
Fruit by me to me nko me ma no so no work school or ba koda boarding.
Okay. And the me ba na ma bo na today.
Martin.
All right. Aje! Go. You finished. Hey. Bring it on what is on your mind, you better say what you can do. And all that you promise to show, I'll tell you that you are not together, as we go together, you want to say, I want to One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Go, run me up. Everywhere they win now. Alright guys, so this will be the end of our video. So you can try this experience too with your family, friends, group or something, you understand? What's up? When will come jog for you too?
Any holiday I go.
Try and come. Yeah, sure. So alright guys, so try and come here then get the experience so you understand. Please remember to subscribe, share the link and also like the content. Thank you very much.